Hi everyone and welcome back to the CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 22, we'll introduce the common category feature in CADReader. It helps keep the measurement results organized so they can easy to review and summarize automatically. Let's get started. At the bottom of the software interface, you'll notice a small common category icon. Go ahead and click on it, and then select Common Categories Manager. In the upper left corner of the window, you'll see the Add Category button. Click it to create a new category. You can name this category anything you like, for example, column or structure. Once you've named it, you can also customize the category color. After that, click OK to save it. Now, let's create another category. Click Add Category again, and this time create a label for beam. Choose a different color so it's easy to distinguish, and then click OK. After setting up your categories, go ahead and close this window. Before starting any measurements, make sure to select your category. Click the Common Category option at the bottom, and then choose the category you just created. First, select the beam category, then go to Measure and choose Aligned. Now, when you measure a beam, you'll see the length displayed, and the annotation color will match the category you selected. You can also switch to other categories such as parameter. Again, the measurement result will follow the same category color, makes it easy to organize and identify different elements in your drawing. Now, what if you forgot to assign a category before measuring? No problem. On the right-hand side, click Modify, and then follow the prompts to select the annotations you want to update. You can batch modify multiple labels at once, including those that were previously uncategorized. After making your changes, close the window. You'll immediately see the updated category colors applied to your measurements. Finally, to verify everything, click on Tabulate. Here, you can confirm that all your categories and colors match the settings you applied earlier. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.